What? What? Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. 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 Toy crafters, do we have a treat for you today? We are going to be making Finding Dory squishy sacks. Woo, 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 woo! We have Dory and Hank here with us today. I can see Dory still has some chocolate on her mouth and Hank has some chocolate in his eyebrows. Well, we may have been eating chocolate brownies. Yeah, it was quite tasty. I bet. I remember that video. Now, if toy crafters want to check out that delicious Finding Dory brownie video, they can just click right here. Woo! All right, well, let's get started. We are going to fill up these Finding Dory balloons with some flour. Woo! Let's get one of each color. Yellow, green, blue, and orange. So you want to fill up your balloons with the flour. Any kind of flour will do. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be so squishy. Ooh. Just keep doing this until it fills up. Woo! Woo, don't do that. Hold it closed before you squish it. All right, it's getting pretty squishy, but we need more. More. Right, and now it's ready to be tied up. Whoop. Woo! Woo! Might want to get your mom or dad to help you. I might want to get my mom and dad to help me. Oh no!
I'm here to help.
Well, Mr. Puffs helped me tie that. Thank you, Mr. Puffs. It's super squishy. Look at Dory's eyes. Oh! Oh! What? What? Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
I'll be around to help you out. No problem. Do you need my help?
I sure do. Could you tie this, please?
All done.
Ooh. Woo, 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 woo. Go, our second one is done. Woo. Okay. I know you want to help, but just a little bit more. There you go, please.
There you go.
Oh, why, thank you. Squishy, squishy sack. All right, let's do our last one.
Let me help. Come here. Let me help.
Oh my goodness. Mr. Puffs.
Oh, let me help. Come on. Just a little bit. Maybe I can hold it. Maybe I can put some flour in.
Mr. Puffs. Mr. Puffs. Okay. You know what? Maybe you need a napkin?
No, I can do myself. Flour is simply delicious. It's simply delicious. You know what I mean?
Could you tie this for me?
Oh, I'm busy. I'm very busy. Wow. Okay, we'll give it here. Ta-da! All done.
Thank you, Mr. Puffs. Thank you. Ooh, you have a lot of flour on your face.
Well, of course, I was helping out. Of course, I'm going to have flour on me. Cats and fishes can be friends.
It's true. All right, toy crafters. Here's our squishy sacks. Woo, 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 woo. You can just run them under some water and get all the flour off and then squish to your heart's content. Woo! Toy crafters, that was fun. It was very messy, but very fun. Mr. Puffs has left us now. He's off to clean himself. I hope you enjoyed the video, toy crafters. I'm glad you can join us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always stay silly and never grow up.